Your skin has small holes, pores, that are connected to the oil glands lying under the skin through follicles. These glands are responsible for producing sebum, an oily substance. When these follicles get clogged, it leads to the outbreak of acne. The reason acne occurs more around puberty or at the time of hormonal changes is because there is excess secretion of oil. But don't worry, you can reduce pimples at home by these 9 ways. 1. Neem and rose water. Neem has antibacterial properties and is used in several skin and hair care products. Make a thick paste using a handful of fresh neem leaves. To this, add a few drops of rose water. Using a Q-tip, apply over affected areas and let dry. Wash with a mild face wash and wipe dry. Follow with a moisturizer. 2. Aloe vera and turmeric. While turmeric is an excellent exfoliating agent and contains antibacterial properties, aloe vera helps soothe the skin due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they help in clearing skin and fading acne scars. Using a spoon, extract some fresh aloe vera gel from a cut leaf and add a pinch or 2 of turmeric. After mixing well, apply directly over the affected areas and leave on for a few minutes. Wash and wipe dry. 3. Garlic and honey. Garlic is known for its antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied on acne, it helps clear skin. Mix crushed garlic with honey and dab it on acne. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash. 4. Potato and lemon. Potato works wonders when it comes to treating any kind of discoloration of the skin. Its excellent bleaching properties make it very useful in fading acne and pimples scars. The antibacterial properties of honey provide soothing relief, thereby getting rid of any inflammation. Grate a raw potato to take out the juice and add a few drops of honey to it. Apply this mixture directly onto your face. This face pack also helps get rid of excess oil from the face and can help fade any tans and blemishes. 5. Tomato and gram flour. The natural acids found in tomato act as bleaching agents, which in turn can help lighten the tan, dark spots, and hyperpigmented areas. What's more, tomato juice also helps maintain the skin's pH balance and the associated natural sebum production. Gram flour or besan, on the other hand, helps absorb oil and helps remove any dirt or toxin from deep within the pores. Take 2 tablespoons of besan and squeeze out the juice of half a tomato. Mix well until it forms a thick paste. Apply this on the affected areas of your face. This pack not only helps heal acne but also in getting rid of any scars and marks. 6. Milk and nutmeg. Nutmeg is known to contain essential oils, which in turn prove to be beneficial for the skin. Additionally, it also has antiseptic properties which help fight pimples and acne. Milk, on the other hand, helps moisturize the skin. Take 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw milk to make a paste. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash and wipe dry. You can also add a few saffron strands to get an instant glow. 7. Honey and cinnamon. Honey and cinnamon both have antibacterial properties that help in soothing acne. Mix 1 tablespoon of each together and apply all over your face. Wash off once it's dried. 8. Egg whites. Egg whites contain albumin and lysozyme, which have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Additionally, egg whites can tighten your skin and clean its pores, removing excess oil, dirt, and bacteria. After you have separated the egg whites from 2 eggs, whisk the mix and apply evenly on your skin using a brush. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with cold water. 9. Steaming. Steaming helps open your pores and eliminates all the dirt, grime and oil under the skin's surface. However, it's important to cleanse your face so as to remove any makeup or dirt before you start. Boil a cup of water, add 3 drops of tea tree oil to it, and transfer the water into a bowl. Carefully place the bowl on a flat surface and lean towards the bowl. Use a towel to create a tent over your face to prevent the steam from escaping. After 10 minutes, wipe your face with a clean cloth. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting health and beauty tips. Thank you.